Who's that?
What? That's Imagine Dragons.
Ah, yeah. You have their album?
No, I'm listening to this song particularly. Yeah. Not Steve, no, it's on YouTube.
Yeah. It's not streaming on YouTube because they put it there.
Yeah. No, we have the app. And you download the music. No, I don't think so.
Will that get you in a lot of trouble back home?
No.
Pirate Bay.
No. No one will know. Nobody cares to know.
Yeah.
But in the US. Yeah, in the US not that far.
You made it. Why were you late?
I woke up late.
Yeah. See, I told you needed a good reason.
What?
Tutorial time now.
Sorry. I shouldn't have come, that's what he's thinking.
I got out of bed for this. Alright, so what are we looking at first? What?
We did a lot of lessons.
Yeah, there should be lots of questions. But Ron, you've been asking me for like 2 weeks for a tutorial, so I expect lots from you, but...
Oh.
Yeah. Good, what question? If you call it out, I'll do it.
Question 1.
Okay, give it to me.
C.
No, I don't have it here.
Oh.
Here, okay, we'll go back.
I have the answer, but when I check the answer, why it's different in the minus
For the C?
no.
Which one?
Yeah, the C.
I'll do C?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys,
Yeah.
we're going to do this one. X cos x dx. Yusuf, who are you talking to? Is that Faisal?
No. I'm hoping with the lesson.
Well, I have it right here. Can I give you a minute just to try it, and then I'll do it? And Fuan thinks the answer might be wrong, so can you give it a try?
No, the answer is right, but I
You get your answer wrong.
No, I mean the minus and the plus. It's different than the answer.
I did it wrong. What's wrong?
Could be.
And then I'm sorry. I'll do it again.
Hey, that's fine.
Oh, finally.
Oh my.
Guys, I said come by at 10.
What?
It's 10:06. Come on. Oh my goodness.
This Limsip thing is really good.
Good. So this is the reason why I said, no, he can't come in and just sit down because entrance is too distracting.
We should have let the rest come.
Yeah.
No.
Special case.
No, that would be, that would, he would accuse me of being racist, that would be discriminating him.
I have a question.
No, you do not have a
No,
question.
seriously.
You've been here 10 seconds.
No, I mean, they said we're doing the tutorial now, so I have a question for the tutorial.
Beautiful. We're doing this one first and then we'll do your one next, okay? X cos x. Right. So we have L-I-A-T-E. Is this in the correct order or not?
Yes.
It is.
No, yes.
Yeah, because this is A and this is T. So we call this F and this G derivative. So if F is X, what's F derivative? 1. And if G derivative is cos X, then what's G? Sine u. And the rule is this is f g minus f derivative g, which is x sine x minus minus cos x plus c.
What? Why minus?
If you integrate this, you get minus cos x.
Oh.
Yes.
So that's it?
Yeah, I know. Okay, Faisal, what was your topic then
1G.
in this lesson?
No, integration of the fractions.
Okay. You can't do it, or the answer's wrong.
Maybe one is wrong.
Okay, this one. Guys, we're going to have a look at this one now. Can I just give you 1 or 2 minutes to try it first? Do you remember what the trick is for doing these? What's the starting point?
I see.
U equals the denominator.
Correct.
Just try to make it study the question.
Hey, you're smart. You mean you looked at the part that said hint and read it out?
Limson.
Even check for coffee.
That's his emphasis.
Benadol.
How does that happen?
Benadol. B. The
Ah.
cough syrup. It's really good.
Yesterday I walked to the pharmacy and then I asked for an antihistamine. And then there was an old lady and a younger girl. So obviously I asked the younger girl.
Yes, obviously.
And then she freaked out. And she's like, we can't give you with a prescription for antihistamine. And then she freaked out too. And then she ran to the old lady. He wants an antihistamine. I got worried. I was like, what's wrong? This is an antihistamine. I know that's nothing. And then the old lady started to laugh. She's like, good, you I need an antihistamine. I'm coffee. He's like, okay, I'll get you one.
The young lady must have thought it was something else then.
Obviously.
Yeah. The antihistamine is just for like hay fever.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can buy that over the counter. Yeah.
She was a little bit too blonde.
Was she blonde? That's blondest. Right. Okay, you got this one?
She was the blondest.
Okay. Let's have a look at this one now. It shouldn't take too long to do actually. You think the answer may be wrong?
No, maybe minus one.
Okay, well let's see. What do we have on the top here? It's minus 14x plus 4. And then on the bottom we have minus 7x squared plus 4x minus 3 dx. Right, so we let u equal to minus 7x squared plus 4x minus 3. So that means du dx equals minus 14x plus 4. So that means dx is du over minus 14x plus 4. So that is minus 14x plus 4 times du over minus 14x plus 4 over u. So that's integrate 1 over u du, which is log u, which is log minus 14x plus 4 plus c. Is the answer wrong? Is it right? Because I wrote the wrong thing. So sorry. Log U. This is U. What's that about? Minus 7x squared. It's exactly right.
I thought if the bottom requires when you equal 12.
Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't.
Why we know sometimes?
Yeah, how do you know? It's because of the top. Because the top is linear, you use this for U. If the top was constant, then you use the other one. Good question though, how can you know? Questions?
If the top is what we use, right?
If the top is linear,
Yeah.
do this. If it's constant, use the other one.
I have a question.
Yes.
For the changing.
Good, okay. Wait. Faisal's actually writing something.
You know the trick?
What's the trick?
This,
Yeah.
that's the lesson.
Yes.
That's from yesterday morning.
This lesson? This morning? It is not.
No,
No, it's not.
we took the last one, we know.
Listen to the people who are in the lesson.
What?
Yes. Yes.
No, we didn't do this.
We
didn't
did
do
this.
integration of fractions.
We did. Lee, the thing is, Lee is the only person who wrote it down.
No, you didn't write this one down. We did do this lesson. We must have done this lesson because this lesson is right after this one. I don't think I skipped over it. We did it, yeah.
My point, yeah.
And then we did by parts after it.
What?
We did do this lesson.
Integration of simple.
Yeah.
Well, we just did proper.
Yeah.
We did that. What was the lesson for today's one?
Integration of proper partial fractions.
Yeah. What is this?
Integration of simple rational functions.
No. I want a question from integration of proper fractions.
Ah, sorry, you used up your question. Now, I'm not going to use the tutorial to catch up because you were asleep this morning.
No, I wasn't. I woke up at 6:30.
Okay, stop. So did I wake up at 6:30.
Yeah.
I made it, you didn't.
Yeah, I was running, and then the bus went for right in front of me because there was a truck. It was parking in the bus stop. So the bus driver, no park for me, I'll just skip this bus stop. Swear. And then when I opened my taxi, the application to get a taxi to reach here on time, it wasn't working. Till now it's not working.
And then did it start raining?
No.
Everything turned black and white. Children crying. Okay. Faisal, seriously, listen. Now listen, Faisal, look at
No,
me.
I'll show you the application.
No, I believe you. I believe you. Faisal, next week in the tutorial, I'll be happy to do questions from this morning's lesson, but I want you to watch the video first at least before you ask the question. Okay, so if you want me to do one, I'll do it next week then.
Not
Okay.
working.
Okay. But you know, there is another way to get a taxi.
I don't have cash.
Hello.
You don't
It
have
doesn't
cash?
work anymore.
Yeah.
That's just they
This is not
changed
this
the,
one.
they changed the name of it.
No,
Yeah, this is the Halo update. Once you update, you get this.
My taxi?
Yeah.
I have both.
I updated Halo, I got this.
Maybe you're blocked. Maybe the taxi drivers are like, block this number, block it. Alright, what's next now?
The chain rule.
Yes, oh yes, the chain rule. Okay, read out the question then.
Y equals to bracket 6e squared.
6e squared?
Yeah. And then bracket.
Like this?
Square root. Yeah. Square root
Ah.
x.
What is that?
And that's it. And then close it. And then no wait.
Hang on, maybe it's better if I just look at it, which...
No, it's not on the thing. It's not what you need. You need it.
You made it up.
And then
Wait, hold on. Square root x, yeah?
yeah, and then close bracket.
Yeah.
And then close the big
Yeah.
big bracket and then open another big bracket. And then 1 over 2 square root x.
Right, so firstly that's 6 over 2 e2 root x, 1 over root x. Just put the 2 over here with the 6. So at least I can change this into 3 e2 root x over root x. So it is both a quotient and chain rule. So first I need the quotient rule. It's the bottom squared, the bottom times the derivative of the top, and this is a chain rule. So the derivative of e is e, and then you multiply by the inside derivative. If you have root x, that's the same as x power a half. Its derivative is a half x minus a half, which is 1 over 2 root x. So this is times 1 over 2 root x. Minus the top, times the derivative of the bottom, and the derivative of root x we just said is 1 over 2 root x. You can clean this up quite a bit actually, quite a bit. This will be 3e 2 root x over 2 root x root 2 minus 1 over x, that squares. The 3e and the 2 root 2 are in common and the root 2 comes out, and we can do that as 3e 2 root x root 2 minus 1 over 2x root x. Good one. Where'd you get this one?
Instead of doing the question, I didn't answer. Like it was a mistake.
So that's not answer of the question.
It's the answer of 1 feet, I think.
Being able to tell the difference between the question and the answer will be an important skill in maths.
The exam would be like, where is the question?
No, because I've had people like look through the formula book for the question.
You're happy to look through.
I've seen them before. It just spins, that's it. That's all it does.
What's the point?
Alright. What's next now? What's next? That can't be all the questions, because that either means you're not doing homework or you're geniuses.
So the question 3.
Says the late student.
Followed up by the later student. Question 3 in what lesson, Juan?
By
By parts 3. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah. Right, which part, or you don't mind? A, B, or C? No, C is easy. I think A and B are more interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Can you all try A for a minute? At least enough to hit the problem that appears. I think I know what it is. Give A a try. Faisal, please.
I got 0, but the answer is pi.
Yeah, the answer can't be 0 here. Because, let's explain why. This is sine x. This is y equals sine squared x. So if you integrate this, the area is definitely not 0. I can understand here it's 0. You know? Come try it for me. Look, this guy's doing it. You know it's important.
Wait, no, then this wasn't x squared ln 2x dx?
No. Guys, I'll give you a little hint to get you started here. Of course, if you want to use by parts, what you could do is change this into sine x dx and see what happens. Yeah, okay. I'll do it in a minute. How's it going? Is it making progress? Okay, let's have a look here. Or at least I'll do it as you're doing it as well. So, I hope you got to at least this stage where you wrote down the f's and the g's. So the rule is this integration is equal to f g minus integrate f derivative g. Is this what you got for one?
No.
I
No.
didn't get this either.
It's pi cosine.
F G.
No. The
G's minus, oh no.
the G is cosine.
No, it's minus.
Minus.
Yeah.
Integrate.
Yeah. It's minus for sure. Here you anti-differentiate and here you differentiate. Okay. So we get minus sine x cos x plus integrate cos squared x dx, and that's for integrating sine squared x dx. Okay, I'll let you continue now. So now we have to do something here. By parts again.
Okay.
Yeah, because we can't do this.
Is it not FG?
Yes.
Is it not FG minus the
Integration.
integration of F
derivative?
G.
Okay, it is. And that's what I did, I promise you.
G is minus cos
F G minus, that's the derivative, G. That's the equal.
Clearly, not the right thing. So, Yusuf, you notice it's repeating itself, but you can do the same trick that we did last time. Do you remember what we did last time? No? Move it to the other side.
Oh,
But can anyone see a trick here that does not require integration again? Anybody? If you don't want to integrate again, watch this trick. You can change this into this. And then, this is minus sine x cos x. Integrating 1 is just x, and integrating sine squared we don't know. But that is okay, because we can just bring this over to that side. And we get 2 of them. So then I can divide by 2. And now I can put the limits in. So when I put 2 pi in, that will be 0 plus, no, with a minus 2 pi over 2, minus minus 2, 0 and 0. I got a minus answer. Oh, sorry, that minus is only on the first one. Pi is the answer. Yes, we can check on the calculator, can't we? Let's check.
you have to have a 1 on the...
A 1?
Yeah, because... yeah, cos 1, cos 0 is 1.
Yeah, but
Cos
sine 0 is
yeah,
0.
yeah.
We are right. That was a hard one.
We will have it in the exam.
In fact, I've seen it in the exam twice.
Is there an integer of sine squared or x squared equals something?
Sine squared over x squared.
Or
No.
cos x squared?
Sine over cos is tan.
Yeah, so sine squared over cos squared is...
Tan squared.
Okay.
No.
You can't equal the same thing. They're different.
Different things are different.
Yeah, but like... 6 over 2.
Is true. And 36 over 4 is not true. Check. Mate.
Stephen,
Yes.
beside the limits, what's the difference between this one and the last one we did?
What do you mean?
Like, solving it.
Yeah?
You said we could do something different.
Oh yeah. So here there was something repeating, wasn't there?
Yeah.
So what you could do is you could take when you get the original term, when ex sin x reappears, yeah, here it is here, you can just take it over to the left to make 2 of them. So you're not continuously integrating. A similar thing is happening here. This sine squared has reappeared. So you can take it over to the left so that you're not continuously integrating on the right. So that comes over to here to make 2 of them, and the integration is now stopped on the right. Make sense?
What the...
Right, guys! Do it!
From here to here, so integration.
Do it! Wait, I just want people to do B, and if you're smart, you can use your answer for A to speed up what you do in B. So B is actually now quite short, now that we've done A. I want you to try B. Fuan, what was your question?
Integration.
What integration of log?
We did this. It was a special question. It was this one. It's not in the formula book.
Yeah.
It's x log x minus x.
But like in this question,
In this way, yeah. Yes.
so I can't do
No. You have them backwards. The f should be log and the g should be x squared. Remember? Liate. Did you do this one?
This is from today's morning.
No.
L.I.
No. Guys, I want you doing this now. Come on. Okay, did anyone figure it out?
Sine squared plus squared or plus squared plus sine squared.
They're kind of the same thing, aren't they? Sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. Cos squared plus sine squared equals 1.
Yeah.
Okay, can we look? You can do this question without integrating. Watch. Well, practically. This is 0, 2 pi, 1 minus sine squared x dx, which is 0, 2 pi, 1 minus 0, 2 pi sine squared. That's x 0, 2 pi, and you've worked this out already as pi. So that's 2 pi minus 0 minus pi, which is pi. Nice, right?
So this doesn't apply to the first one.
No, because we hadn't got the result yet.
Can we do it fully without using the sine square?
Yep. It's exactly the same as the last problem. Literally, cos's just become sines and sides become cos's. Go on, Omar, stop holding hands, please. Yeah. You'll be good now, or I'll tell your GF you're a player. Doesn't matter, she'll believe me. I'm a teacher, she'll have to believe me. I say, Yali is the biggest player I ever seen. He's a player. Alright. What's next?
Yeah, I am. So what am I gonna
Are you flying today?
Yeah.
You have a question on this one too? Yeah, which one?
Do you know which airport?
Yeah, just right about it.
This one? Or this one?
Do you know which airport you should go to?
No, they could have different terminals. Do they have different terminals?
We only have one airport in Dublin. It's called the Dublin Airport.
Do you have different terminals?
Yeah, we do, yeah. 2 terminals. You'll have to check which one with your flight. Who are you flying with?
Emirates.
I have a feeling they'll use Terminal 2 because it's fancier.
No, it's not going cargo, it's where you're going to, Terminal 2, because it's an international one.
No. Okay, yeah, actually the long distance flights are usually Terminal 2 anyways as well. But even the non-long distance flights use Terminal 2 if they're fancy. So for example, Ryanair use Terminal 1.
Yeah, it's a long.
Huh?
It's 2.
2. It's a very, very likely, in fact almost guaranteed to be Terminal 2.
And how long will it take by bus?
What time's your flight at?
10:30.
You missed it now.
3 hours.
Huh?
I have to be there 3 hours before, but then the host mother was like, that there's going to be so much traffic today or something.
Because it's the weekend, maybe? Here on the 6 p.m. bus.
Yeah. Just the first bus that comes after 6 o'clock from the school.
It's not going from the school, it's going back home.
Where's home?
Dublin 12.
What's Dublin 12?
Walking.
Yeah.
Turkish Airlines, Terminal 1?
If you're taking the bus, I think Faisal's right. Be 6 o'clock to be safe, because you're literally travelling during rush hour. Like you're travelling at the worst time. The only way it could be any worse if you were travelling at 5:30.
No, I picked the time where the buses were still in service so that I don't take the expensive ones.
Oh, you're so cheap. So cheap.
You would
What
do
would
the
you
same thing.
recommend?
What? That's only completely true.
No, the Stephen Allen X.
Oh, is this one?
Yeah.
Sorry. X squared. And actually I think this is one you were looking at as well, Fuang, was it?
Yeah, that's the
Exactly that one, okay. Good, we have a common one then. Right, so, can we try this one? We'll do this one together. What do I need to do first?
LIATE.
Yeah. If you look at LIATE, you see the problem is the log should be at the front. So the very first thing to do is to swap them. F G derivative. So if f is log 2x, then what's f derivative? 2 over x? No. Anybody? No. Well, could do as a chain rule, but we did this in semester 1.
1 over 2?
Nope.
No, I think it's 2 over x.
Nope. 1 over x.
Oh, yeah.
Because log 2x is equal to log 2 plus log x.
Oh, yeah.
And the derivative of log 2 and log x?
What is it? 2 over x.
Never.
What is
You're
the power
thinking-
of x?
You're thinking of the chain. You could have used the chain rule here. The chain rule says it would have been 1 over 2x times 2. Yes? Okay.
But if 2 multiply L and X is root 2.
Correct. But it's not that, is it? Right, so if g derivative is x squared, then what's g?
3 is over
1/3, yes, x cubed. So this equals f. You remind me of one of those little kids in the pram, with the pinwheel, and you blow the pinwheel when it spins around, and then a lollipop in the other hand.
Do you have a lollipop?
I'm sorry, I don't, Faisal Jr. Right, log 2x times 1/3 x cubed minus f derivative g. So this is 1/3 x cubed log 2x minus 1/3 integrate x squared dx. Because the x and the x cubed cancel, so we finish with 1/3 x cubed log 2x minus 1/3 x cubed over 3 plus c. So finally, I think I'll take the x cubed over 3 out, and I have log 2x minus x minus 1/3. Yeah. Plus c. Yep. That's the answer. What was the stumbling block here?
Y.
You didn't swap them at the start? I think that's what you did too. Yeah.
1/3x cubed.
Yes.
good answer in this one.
Is it? I apologize if it is. 2a. Different. It's the same.
Over 9.
Yeah, expand.
Very nice. Almost as nice as the postman.
No, the students are better.
Yes, we'll leave you be. You're happy. And most importantly, quiet. Right, what else do we need to see? I think we'll do one more and then we'll wrap it up. So, who else had a question then? Was it only this one? Andrew? That was, yeah, okay, good.
By this one, and like the whole section.
By part?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I messed up, I forgot about that.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
And let's do the answer.
So we get an hour break and then we go check whether the class is.
Yeah, you can see,
Do you have a class at 11?
no, but we don't want to do triples.
No, because I want.
I realise it's only a double for you.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you something.
Oh, this is a personal matter.
No.
Yes, you can see me at 11 if you like.
Are you gonna write me the reference letter?
For your GF?
Yeah.
No.
That would be cool. That is. There.
Guys, is there another one you want to see or not? Is that good or bad news? Is it good that you don't have another one to see because you saw everything you need to see? Or is it bad because you haven't done enough questions at home to know what you don't know?
Technically, they wouldn't know what they don't know.
But deep down you would. Are we ending on a good note or a bad note?
That's good.
Perfect.
But after that,
What? Stop.
Oh, he's African chocolate.
Yeah, yeah.
He's like people are selling every Ramadan, you know Ramadan, yeah?
Of course.
Every Ramadan people start like
Oh, yeah.
congratulating each other for some reason, and like we start broadcasting stuff like, around and sending these codes and stuff. Like you get it from everywhere. So
It's like everyone sends you a message wishing you a Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
It's the same thing, everyone sending messages
Yeah.
wishing you a Happy Ramadan.
When does Ramadan start?
Next week.
One day.
Yeah, the day after.
That's how you tell me.
27.
it's gonna be
I'm traveling like
I know.
Friday, the last Friday I won't be
Yeah,
here.
I'm reaching there when it's the first day of Ramadan.
Wait,
So we might be traveling.
so the next time I see you, you'll be thirsty, hungry, and low on energy.
No, next week it's not Ramadan.
But
The week
The week after the holiday.
next week's the holiday, isn't it?
No,
No,
no.
of course. Next
So 3
week's the
weeks.
holiday. And then Ramadan starts. And then you'll be quieter in class?
Yeah, I'm sure if you want.
it's just sleeping, so
We'll see.
You're gonna be going like, what's it, how many hours?
From
20
From 3 a.m. until 9:30 p.m.
We have 4.5 hours to eat during the whole day.
eat answers.
That is all. Honestly, I've never fasted so long. Yeah.
It's kind of 18 or something.
No, I'm on
They are 19th.
Would it be insensitive of us to be stuffing our faces in glass or cracking open a cold can of cola?
It's the first time for me to.
And it would be very hot.
You video
That'll be me.
And then you'll have Lee here with a frappuccino.
After it's finished.
Yeah, don't know.
What time is it? Like,
Why didn't you ask me this sooner when I could have put it on the board?
Ramadan?
I'll have to do it next week.
Malaysia
Please ask me next tutorial. Don't forget.
أصلاً من 27 الصبح.
Okay, good.
27 بالليل.
And he was asking me if
Okay.
if anyone's taking out